Oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, sweet Jesus, there's a fucking wolf on the lake. Fuck's sakes, boys. Oh, God. Oh, God. Just about to eat this fucking dog food. While we're sitting down here waiting for time to pass. You know, that was rotten. Now we got the rotten old bread on us now. Oh, I mean, yeah, I suppose you gotta do what you gotta do, right? I'm kind of afraid now of these wolves. Oh, fuck, I keep dropping shit. Get me rifle out. Okay, we gotta... Let's get into this cabin here. Oh, God. Is there anything here? Put my weapon away. Jesus. Oh, let's search this backpack. And take the sardines. I don't... Fuck that. Take the sardines. It's part of our daily nutritious values. The sardines, they're great for the soul. Great for the soul. Alright, so there's nothing else. There's nothing else here. Let's just get back out there. Check some of these other spots here. Just to see. Just to see. There might be something over in this one. This is the lone fishing hut on the lake. But we also might fall through the lake, so I don't know yet. I don't know. We'll just have to see what happens. Okay. Oh, look. Gotta love Susie's grape soda. Hunting knife there on the ground. Okay. Rifle round. 303. Hunting knife. Full scarf. Scrap metal. Perfect. Perfect. Let's just shut the door here. See what we got going on. See what we got going on here. Stacy's grape soda. There we go. Now. Okay. So we're still a little bit thirsty, but we should be alright. We got too many fucking wool scarves here, so let's drop that. Drop that. Can we repair this, I wonder? Yes. 30 minutes. Sewing kit. Fishing tackle. Yes, bye. Just gonna repair our long johns. Check us again. So it's a bit cold out this morning, right? It's a bit nipply. Let's just get a move on. Let's get off this friggin' lake, man. Hate this lake. Like I was saying before. Oh, fuck. I don't like this. You never know when one of them wolves is gonna jump out at you. Shit. Okay, we're starting to go a little bit numb here. Okay, we'll see what we can find here. Oh, it's empty. Empty? Okay, let's just try to get this fire going. We need to, warm up a bit here. Or we'll, die. I don't want to die this early. Come on, you brute, get the fire going. Man, I should be able to get it going with that piece of cedar wood, too. Come on, come on, come on. Oh yeah, she's roaring now. She's blazing. Got no door on this. Shit. Okay. Got some snow. Now we got purification tablets. Okay. Let's add some, cooked herbal tea. Oh, man, we got her done now, boys. We got her done. Got it made. Got me tea. Now, drink me tea. Where's me tea to? Oh, this good cup of tea that is there. Beautiful, just like grandmother makes it. Candy bar, because you know, chocolate and goes nuts, right? We're wounded. Oh, winded. Sorry. Still a little bit thirsty, so we'll drink some of our water we got. So we got loads of water. And we should be alright. I'm gonna try to make it back to that cabin now. Oh shit. Yes, you cocksucker, get away from me. Law, he was coming after us too, that dick. Shit. Maybe I shouldn't have done that. I don't know. So, he's hit anyway. He's hit. We got him. But I think it takes like 2 rifle rounds to kill a wolf. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I cannot remember. But I really... Okay, we're gonna have to fight this wolf. We're prepared, boys. We're prepared. Let's run. Let's run. Oh my god. Back to the friggin' cabin on the lake we are. See, like, the whole thing is making a turnaround, right? So, we're gonna have to spend the night here. And, rendezvous back and explore the whole Mystery Lake area once we are completed. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you all next time.